Guys, it's Adarsh here, and in the last video I told you about how we're making Undertale, and today we actually begin the process of actually making it. So let's go to our file here and get this underway. So you want to click see inside if that happens. That's when you share it. So you can see the project page, and then see how I can't drag the cat anymore? Because that's not coded. But the editor you can, because you're editing. So I can have the cat here, I can have the cat over here, wherever. So now what we want to do is get the characters for Undertale. So we're not making the full version game or anything. Well, let's make one boss fight. Let's go and make like one boss fight. Yeah. So there's a heart, or considered your soul. So just try to draw a heart the best you can, or you can get one off of Google Images or Bing or whatever search engine you use. That was okay. It's kind of suckish, but that'll have to do. You guys can get a better one. Okay, so and during the battle against if you guys don't know what Undertale is just like kind of like an RPG game, but it's just a fun game which gets really difficult at times. So I'm just gonna be walking through how to do it, but it is really fun once you know what to do. So I want to create a box, and this box will allow this heart never to escape this little box. So now he's trapped forever. Right. Alright, so now that heart is trapped forever, but not yet, because we need to make the actual code for it. If it's touching, gotta not go past it. So, when fly clicked, go here. Okay, and forever if touching color white, you want it to bounce back. So let's see. I just don't want it to go outside. Stop other scripts and Sprite, I guess. Because then when we have our key pressing and it's touching something, it won't move anymore because we're stopping the script. So right arrow key press, change X by 10. Do we want it to be 10? I feel like 10's too much. Maybe 3. That's better. Okay, but it's like showing how to move it. So let's go and make it much cleaner. We have X position. So this is variables again. I think I went over this in the last one, but we're gonna have an X position variable and a Y position variable. And these will not appear on screen. Okay, so we have X position and Y position here. So I want that to be dragged out. And now let's say when right arrow key pressed, change X by, let's see what we want to do. I don't know what my length should be. So I'm going to go back to my other Undertale project and see when I made the length on that. Which I'm pretty sure I do have another Undertale project. Or not. Let's just go to another person's Undertale. Such as this one. This is what we're going to be remaking. Yeah. So, if we go inside, let's go to the soul. Now, yeah, it has these coordinates. So, when okay, not the clone stuff, but, yeah, when up arrow key pressed, change Y by 3. So, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the volume. See how it's moving clean? Maybe it's just me. Yeah, probably just me. Okay. So, see how the heart moves? Um, See how the heart moves, like that? So we're gonna leave that open. Um, Maybe if I go to the project page, it doesn't do that. Yeah, that's fine. So, like he did here, it's fine. Yeah, we have... Yeah, so this is what you want to do. You want to do this. Because now... Oh my god. What did I do? So practically what this means is, pretty simple. So let's go to the start again. We're kind of like gliding. There we go. Okay, so here, I want you guys to open up your backpack and pack this guy in. Because that is exactly what we will be doing anyway. And I'll explain that code just in a second. So, let me drop that code here. Okay. Practically what this code here is doing is simply taking your position. So watch. So we have health. We don't need that. We're not gonna use health. We're just making a game. So when flag clicks show, blah 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 blah. No, don't go to that position. Go to this position. So delete those two. So if key up arrow key pressed, change Y by 3. Yeah, pretty simple stuff like I did. And then if it's touching color color white, it's going to do the exact opposite. So you move to 0. So watch. If I am doing this, everything works pretty smooth. And yeah, and then we touch, it just nothing happens because we're trying to go up, but it's also saying 0. So hopefully that makes sense. So change Y by 3. But if it's touching this color, which is this, then it's going to change Y by -3. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. So that's why it's not moving when it touches the white. So there we have the movements. That all makes sense, and you do the same thing for everything. So I'm changing X by 3 right now, and now when I touch it, it's going to change X by -3, so I don't move at all. So if I make this -2 for say, let's take this as an example. It'll move through. It'll move through. So that is why you have to have it exactly the same. And that's really important to have it like that. So now that we have the basic controls done, let's go get the attack stuff. And we'll have that. That. Alright. So let's make this an attack. Flag clicked. Hide. Wait 2 seconds. Show. And then this guy, forever if touching sprite 3, forever if touching sprite number 3. Let's touch it quickly. Sprite number 3. Say you just stop all. Actually, yeah. Because you got 1 life, boys. 1 life. And it pops up. And when this pops up, wait a second. Wait 1 second. Hide. And we're gonna have some more attacks. Let's paint another attack. Let's go make this rain. Like, let's go make it rain. Alright, that's okay. So now we go up here. I want this to switch to costume 1 at the beginning. We go up here. Show glide. Okay, wait. I want to go right here. Flag clicked. Forever if touching edge. Edge. Then hide. So there we go. This should work out pretty good. Let's just stay right there. Oh my god. But why did it do the first attack first? Let's switch to costume 1. Alright. Alright, I sort of see it. Okay, maybe you have to say go to... Oh, that's why. Go to X... No, not -2. Fuck. -140-ish. Let's go that. There we go. Okay. There we go. 2 attacks. 2 attacks are done, and the borders have been established. I hope you guys understood the borders and how I did that. I just didn't want to write all that code again because it's really boring to do stuff you've already done over again. So, yeah, the border is really simple, just like really simple stuff. Got your border box, you got your attacks, and we're gonna make more attacks and text next time. So, yeah, stay tuned. So, I will do something right now though. You guys want to make another backdrop. Just duplicate this one, then put blue circles on this one, so they know the scenario's changed. Alright. So yeah, so that's going to be our second backdrop, but once flag clicked, I want you to switch to the first one. Switch to the first. So that is going to be it for today's, oh god, lead page. Today's video. I hope you guys found this one helpful. It was fun doing it, but we're not done yet. We still have a little more to go. So this was technically part 1 of Undertale, and yeah, I'll see you guys on part 2. Peace out.